Well, rain has been all over the place lately, and unfortunately last night we had one system come in from central Oklahoma. It maintained strength, moved all the way into the northeastern basin, starting off in Snyder, and extended its way out to Big Spring, Midland, and Odessa, and left some of those flooding issues that we saw very early this morning. And here's what the radar was able to pick up. Anything in the blue is about an inch of rain. Anything in those like darker blues, kind of closing in on purples, is between 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. So everything in the green is about half an inch or so toward about trace amounts. Hey, lots of rain, mainly out towards Snyder. They did see a little bit of that wind damage from some of those strong gusts associated with that storm. But hail was actually the last of our problems. It was more water than anything else. Big Spring all the way to Midland and Odessa. Now keep in mind, this is what the radar picked up. Localized amounts can certainly be a lot higher. But then we go into this afternoon and it's actually a really nice day. 89 degrees. Feels a touch warmer because you still have a bit of that humidity from, well, everything that just hit us. And we have variable winds, but at least pressure is starting to go on the higher side, meaning we should start to see less of those storms. Now, the model data yesterday was showing me, hey, a lot of storms, if we see anything today, are going to be located closer toward I-10. And, well, that's exactly what we're looking at. Just this quick little line of storms. One severe thunderstorm warning south of downtown San Angelo, but really the stuff is moving out toward Ozona, toward Iran, McCamey, even Rankin. A little bit of lightning, a little bit of heavy rainfall, but non-severe. No special weather statements on this stuff either. It's just going to start to fizzle out as we head into the later part of this evening. Speaking of this evening, no leftover rain chances, clear skies and lows around 71 degrees. Looks pretty good to me. What about tomorrow though? Well, for much of your Thursday, we're going to actually see very warm temperatures, 95, plenty of sunshine. So go ahead, get the hat, sunglasses, get the flip-flops, and those short sleeve shirts. You're going to want it because we're entering into a summer pattern for literally a couple of days, and then we're back to this kind of rainy pattern. So what I'm watching for much of your Wednesday evening, not much of anything. Overnight, nice and clear, barely a cloud in the sky. Throughout your Thursday, you have southerly winds just take over. That's going to warm us up. It's going to leave us with sun, and we're not going to see much in terms of cloud cover or even rain chances. Cloud cover increases heading toward Friday ahead of our next frontal system. Now, I'm not looking at any significant rain, but we might see a little bit of those high elevation pop-up showers and storms late Friday evening, leaving us with about 10% coverage. So the real high pressure is going to stay out into the desert southwest. We get a quick little dip in the jet stream. That's going to cool us off, increase our rain chances. Not going to see anything too crazy, but expect those temperatures to drop, rain chances to go up, and we kind of go back and forth, you know, flip-flopping between spring and summer. At this point, just pick a season and we'll stick with it. Crystal.
All right, thanks, Jordan. Well, some husbands